To minimize the hardware resource usage, a filter decomposition algorithm is proposed to compute any large kernel-sized, greater than 3 times 3, convolution through using only 3 times 3 sized CU. The algorithm is separated into 3 steps. 1. It first examines the kernel size of the filter. If the original filter's kernel size is not an exact multiple of 3, 0 padding weights will be added in the original filter's kernel boundary to extend the original filter's kernel size to be a multiple of 3. The added weights are all 0 to keep the extended filter convolution result to be same as the original one. 2. The extended filters will be decomposed into several 3 times 3 sized filters. Each filter will be assigned a shift address based on its top left weight's relative position in the original filter, and each decomposed filter will be computed individually. 3. The output result of each decomposed filter will be summed together based on its shift address to generate the final output. The mathematical derivation of this decomposition technique is also explained in is an example of decomposing a 5 times 5 filter into 4 3 times 3 filters using this technique. 1 row and column 0 padding are added in the original filter. The decomposed filters F0, F1, F2, F3 shift address are 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, 3. Shows the detailed procedure. A 5 times 5 filter decomposed into 4 3 times 3 subfilter. Filter decomposition technique to compute a 5 times 5 filter on the 7 times 7 image. The 5 times 5 filter is decomposed into 4 separated 3 times 3 filters F0, F1, F2, F3, and generating 4 sub-images. The sub-images are summed together to generate the final output. Same colors pixels in each sub-image will be added together to generate the corresponding pixels in the output image. In addition to the hardware architecture level development, model compression is also reported as a way to improve the hardware computation efficiency of the machine learning. REF reported a methodology to prune the neural network and achieve up to 35 times to 49 times model parameters reduction. The procedure is shown in. The original network will be pruned and retrained several times to achieve parameters reduction. After that, quantization is implemented with clustered weights to achieve additional parameter size reduction. Finally, Huffman encoding is added into the final weights to achieve further model size reduction. Neural network compression reported in REF. Due to the rapid increment of the deep learning model size, model compression becomes more and more important for machine learning hardware acceleration, especially for the edge-side user case. In addition, the fixed point data format is also used in many deep learning applications to reduce the computation cost. In addition to the traditional digital accelerator design, analog computing is also becoming one of the trends to improve the processor computation ability in solving machine learning problems. Here, we use the charge trapping transistors, CTTs, technique as an example to introduce analog computing. The complementary metal oxide semiconductor, CMOS compatible feature of the CTTs makes them very promising devices to implement large-size computation using analog methodology. As the scaling of transistors is reaching its manufacturing limit, the computation throughput using current architectures will also inevitably saturate. Recent research reports the development of analog computing engines. Compared to traditional digital computation, analog computing shows tremendous advantages regarding the power, design cost, and computation speed. Among many analog computing systems, memristor-based ones have been widely reported. Recently, more promising charge trapping transistors, CTTs, were reported to be used as digital memory devices with reliable trapping and detrapping behavior. Different from other charge trapping devices such as floating gate transistors, transistors with an organic gate dielectric, and carbon nanotube transistors, CTTs are manufacturing ready and fully CMOS compatible in terms of process and operating. IT shows that more than 90% of the trapped charge can be retained after 10 years even when the device is baked at 85 degrees Celsius. A schematic of the basic operation of a CTT device is depicted in. The device threshold voltage, VT, is modulated by the charge trapped in the gate dielectric of the transistor. VT increases when positive pulses are applied to the gate to trap electrons in the high K layer and decreases when negative pulses are applied to the gate to detrap electrons from the high K layer. CTT devices can be programmed by applying logic-compatible voltages. A schematic showing the basic operation of CTT device, equally applicable to FinFET-based CTTs. 1. Charge trapping operation. 2. Charge detrapping operation. A memristive computing engine based on the charge trapping transistor, CTT. The proposed memristive computing engine consists of 784 by 784 CTT analog multipliers and achieves 100 times power and area reduction compared to the conventional digital approach. Through implementing a novel sequential analog fabric, SAF, the mixed signal interfaces are simplified and it only requires an 8-bit analog to digital converter, ADC, in the system. The top-level system architecture is shown in. A 784 by 784 CTT computing engine is implemented using TSMC 28nm CMOS technology and occupies 0.68 square millimeters as shown in. It achieves 69.9 TOPS with 500 MHz clock frequency and consumes 14.8 mW. Top-level system architecture of the proposed memristive computing engine, including CTT array, mixed signal interfaces including tunable low dropout regulator, LDO, analog to digital converter, ADC, and novel sequential analog fabrics, SAF. Layout view in TSMC 28nm CMOS technology. Compared with the traditional digital processor, analog-based computing processor achieves much less power as well as large area reduction in the design. Table 1 is a comparison of the computation ability between the analog processor and digital processor. As it shows, analog processor achieved more than 100 times computing speed with 1/10 times area consumption compared to digital processor. Comparison table between analog computing and digital computing in Ref. Even the analog computing shows advantages in the computation speed and design cost. A low computing resolution limits its application in most ML algorithms. Due to the design challenges of the ADC in the analog processor, the processor can only handle computation resolution that is less or equal to around 10 bits, making it not suitable for most AI applications.